Aloha affiliators, Foodz here helping you find your foods, folks. And today we'll be having Almond Crunch Dark Chocolate Bar here on Foodz, folks. And right before we start eating, I just want to remind everyone to say grace. We must remember that all these gifts are from God, who nourish us all and give us the wisdom and strength to endure anything. And also to remember that all these folks who farmed, cooked, and prepared all these foods, folks, worked really hard on it. Please check the description below. We'll have timestamps so you can skip to the video and the parts you want to see. Here we go. Alright. Oh, interesting. Comes like that. Okay. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, you can see the crunch right there. It's like a Nestle crunch. Alright, let's take a bite. Cool, it has their own logo on here too. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. Wow, guys. This is great. I get to say 4.8 out of 5 stars. It's a nice cooling sensation to it. Good crunch on the almond, and it's there's some saltiness as well, and it's bitter from that natural organic cacao. 70%. Yeah, and there's still good amount of sweetness, even though there's no sugar. Look at that, there's no sugar. Yeah, nice, good amount of sweetness, and it's it's a good bitterness to it too. Good crunch, cool, somewhat semi-hard chocolate. It melts right away in your mouth though. Yeah, that's great. Thank you folks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos coming soon. Wow, look at that.